Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is short question for your question number 11 and letter writing. I repeat again, our today's topic is short question for the question number 11 and letter writing. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 5. Our subject is English, topic short question and letter writing. This is your lecture number 31. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 31 and your homework number 18. Your homework number 18. Term half yearly, teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number. You can contact me through this number if you have any problem. Okay, let's start our discussion. Items for question number 11. We will practice two questions. The number one, here is a weekly schedule of activities that Belal does in his free time. Now write the name of the days of the week in sentences. First one is done for you. Look at the table. Days of the week, there are 6 days: first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day and sixth day. And in the right side the activities are written. On first day, what does Bilal do? He reads storybooks. Second day, watch cartoons on TV. Third, clean reading room. Fourth, practice music. Fifth, work in the vegetable garden. And final one is he plays cricket. So you have to make sentences using both of the columns. There is a sample answer. First one, on Saturday, that means the first day of the week is Saturday. On Saturday, Bilal reads storybooks. Now you have to write down another 5 answers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and your mark distribution is also 5 for 5 sentences. Now I will show you our sample answer for all these questions, all these points. Number A, on Sunday Bilal watches cartoons on TV. Look, number A, this is the second day and in the activities it is written watch cartoons on TV. So you have to make sentence with both of the columns. Number B, on Monday he cleans his reading room. C, on Tuesday he practices music. D, on Wednesday he works in the vegetable garden. And number E, on Thursday he plays cricket. So these are the answers for your question number 1. Well, practice another one. Here is the schedule of your classes in a week. Write 5 sentences using the days of the week when you attend these classes. Saturday is the first day of the week. Like the first question, there are 5 days here. First day, second day, third day, fourth day and fifth day. And on these days, what class you attend are written in the right side of the table. On first day, Bangla, English and mathematics. On second day, geography, science or religion. On third day, mathematics, religion and science. On fourth day, English, Bangla and religion. And on fifth day, Bangla, mathematics and English. And so you have to make sentences with both of these columns. Answer number 1, on Saturday I attend Bangla, English and mathematics class. Number 2, on Sunday I attend geography, science and religion class. Number 3, on Monday I attend mathematics, religion and science class. Number 4, on Tuesday I attend English, Bangla and religion class. And finally, number 5, on Wednesday I attend Bangla, mathematics and English class. So these are the answers for short question for your question number 11. Now we will learn letter writing. There will be a letter in your question number 8 and you have to answer. Suppose you are Sima or Salman from Bonasri, Dhaka. Write a letter to your friend Jessica in London, UK about the importance of proper use of time. This letter will be given based on your unseen comprehension. You will be given an unseen passage, and based on that passage you will be also given a letter. At first, at the beginning of the letter, you will write down your own address. I have written a model letter for you. 13/5 C block, Bonasri, Rampura, Dhaka, 12 June 2021. My dear Jessica, take my cordial love. I hope you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Yesterday I received your letter. Today I am going to tell you about the importance of proper use of time in reply. Time is the most precious thing in our life. We can prosper in life only by making the best use of time. Time is more valuable than health. We can regain our lost health with the help of medicine, but we cannot, look here, cannot will be a single word, cannot get back our lost time. Those who waste time cannot prosper in life. Success of life depends on the right use of time. So, we should be careful to do our duties on time. No more today. Convey my best regards to your parents, your saver Salman, and you have to draw an envelope here. Here the address of you will write your own address and also the receiver's address. At the left side you will write down from, that means who is writing the letter, Salman, 13/5 C block, Bonasri, Rampura, Dhaka, 1219. To Jessica, London, UK, and there will be a space for stamp. Dear students, you can write down the letter in 2 pages if in a single pages it is not finished, but you have to start from the left portion of your exercise book or your exam script. Okay, so dear students, your homework for today's class will be homework SQ1, that means short question. This one will be your homework, your next homework number 18. Okay, so my dear students, I think you have understood how to write down short question for the question number 11 and how to write down letters. I have a model letter for you. There is a question, practice letter. You will practice it at home. Suppose Rana or Rafsana, one of your best friends who lives abroad, wanted to know about the miserable condition of Hossein Ali's family, who is a very poor woman in your village. Now write a letter to him or her informing about Hossein Ali's family. That means Hossein Ali is a very poor man living in your village, and Rana or Rafsana is your friend who is living outside of your country. Now write a letter to your friend informing about this old man's family. Okay, so dear students, watch the YouTube classes and attend the online classes regularly. Submit your homework on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM, and take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.